or a potential gCADPlus user is having some difficulty entering links in a test version of gCADPlus. I'd like to demonstrate by drawing some lines here. So let's pick the line command. If I arbitrarily start a point to the bottom left of screen, all I need to do is set that start point and just move in the direction that I want to go. And you can see as I move out, this is a US example, it's moving out 2.675 feet, and now we're 4'7" in that direction. So we can click and that sets the line. If I select the line, you can see its length 4.715, and we could dimension it and so on. Let's delete the line and take a more practical example. Here's a little red rectangle that might represent a letterbox, and we'd position it up in here. And if I zoom in, this is 1.75 in length. Dimension, that's 1 foot 9 inches. So how do we draw that up? Remember, we work in decimal feet in the US environment, and in the metric environment we work in millimeters. So let's right click and start the line command again. So if we wanted to recreate that little letterbox, remember we just arbitrarily click. Now what I'm going to do is turn on polar. Oh, there's the polar switch on. That allows me to draw a line horizontally or vertically. Lines just click in. It also enables me to go at an angle of 45 if I need. But I digress a little. We want to move to the right, 1.75 or 1 foot 9 inches, so 1.75, and I hit the enter key. What I don't do is go dive down into the command area and try and click in there and try and type the value in there. Just type the value at the intersection of the cursor point, and you'll see it reflected. I've just typed 1.75 there. So if I hit enter now, in goes a line of that length. To do the next side, just point in the direction. I've gone way past the point, but if I just type, I don't click down in that command area, just type 1 and in goes the line. And if I come back here again, 1.75, just type. Don't worry about clicking into that area, and then I could, now we want to join it down to that point. I could snap by coming across here and picking up the end snap option, and we jump there and then right click to finish and pick exit. To get the red colour, just grab all of the lines, come across to the properties box, pick red, and we're done. To apply dimensioning, here's our linear dimension tool. We'll dimension from that point there, again snapping to the other line there, and just position the dimension however you want. I have modified the dimension style such that I have a smaller arrowhead, and you'd probably want to create in a drawing such as this, say a very small dimension style which is different to the standard one. So I hope that helps clear up. gCADPlus does work differently to AutoCAD in that regard. We think this is a lot easier than diving down into the command area and typing values there, but it is a difference, and if you've been used to using AutoCAD, this difference might well throw you. So I hope that helps.